Hey, what's up everybody? Today I want to share with you an easy trick that I do to make my habits stick. When I set out to do something new, whether it's a new habit or something I want to do regularly, it's very hard for me to stick to it. I'm a person who enjoys my routine, and that makes anything new into that routine, it makes it very hard for me to stick with it. So for example, I was traveling with a friend not too long ago and I set out to do as many push-ups as I could in 5 minutes, and that was just my attempt of staying fit while I was traveling. And sure enough, I started, I did one day, I did the other day, and on the third day I was like, oh, whatever, I'll just skip it, I'll do it tomorrow. And sure enough, tomorrow came and I just didn't do it. So the habit tracker is something that I started doing, and it's very easy. Basically, like, you just write down all the habits that you want to do, and every day you do them, you do a little tick. It looks like this. I don't know if you saw anything, so let's go check it out a little bit more. On the left side of the page, I leave a full line to write down what I did that day. It could be a highlight, and if there's no highlight, it's just a resume or just a quick recap of the day. And then on the right side is all the habits that I'm trying to stick with. So here you can see there's no scrolling, 15 minutes of admin, 15-minute blogging, the push-ups, and here on the extreme right, it just says just one game of Catan, because I went through a phase where I would play all these Catan games online and it would take hours out of the day. So I just tried to limit myself to one game because I don't think I could go more than a few days without playing. As you can see, when it comes to habits, it's not about trying to do it every single day. I mean, yes, that would be nice, but reality is that sometimes it's just not feasible. So what we want to do is be as consistent as possible. And I found that having the tracker really helps me on the long term stay consistent, because, so this is my personal journal. I like to do it in my journal because I look at it very frequently, but you could write it anywhere you want in your house. I know that some people just write it on a piece of paper and just stick it on their fridge, because that way they see it every single day. And what that does is, when you see that you missed one day, and like you see it on your fridge and you're like, oh, I missed my push-up yesterday, I should probably do them today. It's just like a constant reminder to do it, because it's not so much that we don't want to do it, it's just like life gets in the way. And I don't know about you, but I need help. I need as much help as I can. So for me, this is a really good way of being as consistent as possible. And what I found is that, once I can do it consistently for a month, then I don't need the habit tracker as much. And also what I like is that every month you can choose like different things that you need to do. Like, for example, I don't need to do my push-ups every day anymore because I go to the gym now. Like, I'm back from my travels. So yeah, this is it in a nutshell. This is how I stick with my healthy habits. Let me know if you have any other tips and tricks for that, and I'll see you on the mat for a workout.